mist on the Heha mountainside, where the sun kisses the ridges and there ain't no place to hide from the beauty of the valley or the scent of the morning rain. In the land of 1,000 hills, I forget my every pain. From the streets of Gitega to the shores of the deep blue lake, there's a spirit in this country that no storm could ever shake. Oh, Burundi, you're the gold inside the mine, with your coffee on the breeze and your stars that always shine. From the rhythm of the drums to the smile on a brother's face, you're the heartbeat of Africa, my sweet and sacred place. Yeah, my boots are on this red earth and my soul is finally free. Burundi, you're the only home for me. I hear the ingoma thundering, the song of ancient kings. It's the sound of our tomorrow and the hope that freedom brings. We're farming down in Burundi, fishing Tanganyika's tide, with a pride that's deep as canyons and a door that's open wide. We might be small in numbers, but we're giants in our love, blessed by the soul below us and the good Lord up above. And when the work is over and the evening shadows fall, we gather round the fire, answering the country's call. No matter where I wander, no matter where I roam, the dust upon my collar says I'm headed back to home. You're the gold inside the mine, with your coffee on the breeze and your stars that always shine. From the rhythm of the drums to the smile on a brother's face, you're the heartbeat of Africa, my sweet and sacred place. Yeah, my boots are on this red earth and my soul is finally free. Burundi, you're the only home for me. Yeah, the hills are calling softly in the land of milk and honey. Burundi, my home.